Everyone, today we are going to be working with the word family ACE, A-C-E, that says ACE.
Can I sing it now?
We are going to be singing a song and finding ACE in our song, and then we're going to be making those words. And so you will need the letters. Eliana's going to point to them for you. You need the letter G, R, S, P, L, T, B, F, and then, of course, the ACE. So we're going to start off with doing the sounds for our letters, starting with the letter G. And the letter G actually has two sounds.
G and grr.
G,
And
like great, and J, like giraffe. Okay, so here we go. G, J, Andrina. O, T. Now let's go down here. We have A, and it says A, K, and S, E,
and together ACE.
Okay, please get your letters ready, and we'll see you back in a few seconds to sing our song. Here we go. We're going to sing the song, The Space Race, and as we sing the song, please look for that ACE, the rhyming or word family ACE. Here we go. Grace and Billy blasted off for outer space. On the way to Mars they had a rocket race. Past the moon and stars zoomed Grace, setting such a blazing pace that poor Billy ended up in second place. This time we're going to read it and we're going to circle the words with
That's
the
my
ACE.
job. I'm doing my job.
Ready? So let's use our eyes and let's see if we can find it. At home, maybe you can find it before Andrina does. Here we go. Grace. And Billy blasted off for outer space. Grace? Space?
Yeah.
Yeah. On the way to Mars they had a rocket race. That rhymes. Race,
Right here.
space, Grace. We've got it. Past the moon and stars zoomed Grace. You can circle Grace. I know we already have it, but that's okay. Setting such a blazing pace
Not place.
that poor Billy ended up in second place.
Pace and place.
Let's read those words that we circled. Let's see if they do rhyme. Ready, Drina? Grace, space, race, grace, pace,
Place.
They sure do. We're going to do some making words now.
Yeah.
Okay, friends at home, we are ready to make our ACE words with the letters. If you don't have magnetic letters, you can always do what we did and write them on a piece of paper and cut them out if you want to, and just move the pieces of paper around. Here we go. The first word we're going to make is grace. Bring two letters down to make grace and write that word, grace. Good. Check your spelling. We're working on the A-C-E. A-C-E. There you go. Okay, can you want to circle that ACE? That rhyme, ACE? Want to circle it? So we remember, okay, that's what I have to use for all my words today. Look at that pattern. Number 2, take out your GR and make space. They blasted off to outer space. Let's see how that P goes down in the basement, Drina. All the way down the basement, his big belly's on the line. Oh, there it is. And now you know ACE. Good.
Sometimes this is a tricky word, see, because it can say s or k.
I know. But when you see the ACE, that's going to say ACE. It's going to sound like a S.
Yeah.
Circle that ACE.
That's why I put it as. Yeah,
Good job.
I think
I know.
I usually think it's an S.
Circle it. Okay, now we're going to do an easy one. Take out the sp and bring an R down. What does that say?
Race.
Race. Write that down. Race. Move to the side, Eliana, so they can see the word. There you go. You have to be like a teacher. We can't see your word, just so you know. Eliana,
I don't
you're going to have to put further down the next time, okay? That's okay. 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 Change race to pace. He was going at a blazing pace. Write that word pace down. Oh, Drina, good job going into the basement with your P.
I fixed it.
Way to go. And the
Now,
big
can you
belly's
see
on the line. Pace. I can see that. Very good. Next one. Add one letter to pace to make place. Billy ended up in second place. Pull. And you know ace, so you can make place.
Place.
Very good. Now I gave us some extra letters today to see if we can make some other words. Take away the pool, Eliana. Is there any other letter you could put in front of ace to make a new word we haven't made yet? What would that be?
Face.
Face. Let's write face down. If you know ace, you can spell face. Eliana, I can't see because you're in front of it. Face. Good. Anybody else see another word that they can make?
Ace.
Ace
Is a name.
is a name, and you gave it a capital. Very smart.
Oof.
All right, I'm going to have Eliana take the F away. And I want us to make trace. We often trace.
I didn't think about that.
Trace. Trace.
I have to circle
good.
my whole word.
All right.
I have to circle my whole word. Oh,
How about our lovely niece had hurt her knee, so she had to wear something on her knee to help her.
Who?
Ayla.
Brace.
Brace.
Yeah, that's her cousin's.
Write that word down. Brace. I wonder if you came up with a different word than we have. I bet you have. Brace. Wow, we've written a lot of ace words. Let's see if those all rhyme. They should because they have the same ending.
Can I start?
Let's read our words together. Ready?
Grace.
Space.
Race. Pace.
Pace. Place. Face. Ace. Trace. Brace.
Brace.
Next, we are going to write a sentence using ace. Eliana, what is your sentence?
I won in first place. I won a race in first place.
Okay, let's have her do it. Now you can write whatever you want at home, but you can do this one too. Go ahead. Let me hear you.
I won.
That's the kind that starts with the W. Mm-hmm.
In a race.
Mm-hmm.
First
There, good job. Remember to put the IR.
place.
That's an R-controlled vowel. The R there is kind of bossy and it takes away the I sound, huh?
Yeah.
You're missing something at the end of your sentence. So I won in a race in first place.
And then if you didn't put a period there, it'd just be like, I won in a race in first place. I won.
So Andrina is going to write her sentence now, and she's going to say, Grace, what'd you say?
Grace has black hair. Ace has brown hair.
Okay, so let's start with Grace. Has that ace. Let me hear you. Ace. You know ace now, don't you? Grace, good. Keep going.
Race.
Has. Good.
I'm looking at that one.
That's smart. Oh, you forgot something at the end.